Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you Sanyo Car Underglow Light. This is a 10-piece, 12-volt dream color RGB that produces 60 million colors. It's a waterproof light kit that you put under your car. I mean, since I have a 4Runner, it'll be very useful because a lot of the off-roaders put lights underneath to see the rocks and stuff. Basically, you have an app you can control from your phone, Bluetooth controller, cigarette power adapter, fixing clips, and voltage regulator. All this mounting kit and zip ties, double-sided tapes. This is a cigarette adapter, so you can get power from there. 10 strips of LED RGB light. This model has 120 chasing effects. That's crazy, and it's obviously IP68 waterproof. And you can adjust the speed, effect length adjustment, brightness adjustment, and 18 music modes. See right here, it's a 3M double-sided tape in the back, so you can attach that to the body of the car. But you can also use this mounting brackets to really secure it on the bottom of the car. So there's two methods. One is you can use a cigarette adapter to get the power. So red to red, black to black. Or you can just put this hardwired connected to your battery. Built-in IC chip. Ultra bright 50/50 LED bead. Others is just regular RGB, the competitors. So step one is test the car underglow lights and check the connection if they're working properly. And clean the flat surface to be dry. Peel off the tape from the strip, then stick the strip to the surface. Use the cable ties and the screws to fix the car lights. So before we connect this device to my car, we gotta wire it using the wire connector and the crimp. So it does the wire stripping. The red goes with red, and it's for the thin wires. So I strip the wires a little bit longer, exposed, put it like that, just clamp it down. So this wire is not gonna come out. Okay, so both are clamped down. So just connect black to black and red to red. That easy. Because it's gonna be under the car, now I'm gonna use electrical tape to wrap this so it's complete waterproof. So you do one side at a time. I wrapped everything in one. Now there's power. I'm gonna turn that on. So far all the LEDs are working. I have to download the app on the phone and control it and change the color and all that. So before you do install, just lay everything flat on a large area. So that's where it's gonna be plugged in. Just determine this is gonna be plugged in the like near the front of the car or the back of the car. And then it goes, those are to front or back. These three on the side, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 2 3 and 1 each. Okay, so I'm done installing this up underneath. Okay, so first you have to download the app called Banlan X and open that up. This will pop up. Hit that plus button to add device. Okay, there you go. It recognized the Bluetooth module. Approve it. That's the control panel. The lights are installed on my 4Runner. Because this is a raised off-roading truck, the light might seem dimmer than if you install it on a lowered sports car. So that's the color. So you can kind of change it, see? More red. And then you can make it darker by turning it off and on. That's bright. Different colors. This is DIY colors, or you can do regular colors. You can make your own color. So red. You can just set it in one color. Green, blue, yellow, magenta, light blue, and white. The second mode is more dynamic mode. So you can set the speed. So you can make it slow or fast. And there's a favorite colors that they just assign. And you can adjust all manual up here. And the lastly, right here, it's music. I think there's only 3 sample songs. It's not as good. So it plays according to the beat. So you can download whatever music here. Change the dynamic. 115. Look at that. So check that out. Turn off the garage. Look at that. So you can select these while you're driving because this app's gonna be on your phone. But you know, I don't like dynamic, but I like just a single color for me. And I like the white. Look at that. That is cool. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.